Don't you change that dial. Don't you dare touch that dial. This is prime time. Coming to you live and in color. Yeah, the name is Go Hard, baby. I don't know whether we on the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. All I know is we on, y'all. Hit me with a 1 and then, Black.
I got too much to lose and too much to live for. I'll be damned if I go out behind one of you hoes. You niggas say homeboy quick, but when it's time to go hard, I can't trust you with shit. It started with deal with it. I guess some real niggas, they stay down and stay with it. Where I'm from, friendship means fuck ship. We just got gangs and crips already killing crips, so ain't no unity. Yo, come up, it's trying to break me. So how a brother gon' have something when niggas you grew up with don't wanna see you with nothing? It seems like the friendship ought to be stronger, especially when partners be knowing each other's mamas. But Red, I guess it's hard to be loyal, especially for these niggas who ain't got no morals. The shit has got me all out aggravated, but it's hard to kill him cause my kids play with his little baby. So I guess I keep faking the friendship, but my fingers on the trigger, Red, and it feels like it might slip. But is it worth the time? Cause when them white folks get with Black, who gon' look out for mine? This is life in Fraser Courts. Got a brother chain smoking Newports, and I be praying, Lord, don't let me make this mistake. If I'm undeserving of this blessing, do it for my kids' sake. It ain't that important to see his brains hanging out. My family's short while they wait for me to parole out. I'm gonna make it out, man, it's tough, but this is the shit, they got the hood fucked up.
Deal with it, cause in this life you gon' feel it. Just to be God, gotta raise up, go out and get it. Keep my hustle on, gotta stay paid. Sometimes I feel stuck, but I ain't gon' play. I hate my niggas just to come up. You hoe ass niggas with this cross-section shit, keep disrespecting the game, doing the fool. You got to steady run up with your gun up, trying to buck, not knowing that's the shit that's got the hood fucked up.
3 shots to the face, on the ground bleeding. This puddle of blood keeping him from breathing. His wife screaming life leaving. A big crowd around, but nobody caring enough to bend down to wipe the blood, so his wife
could do what? Go hard.
Could try to make out his last sounds. My mind is clicking, my heart is pumping. Is the good Lord trying to tell Go Hard something? Paramedics didn't seem to be in a rush, and them electric things, they didn't even hook them up. 5-0 got me egged. Ambulance sitting still long, pulling out his pad. Say wrong time at the wrong place, but what the fuck am I to do? I be in South Dallas every day. So another nigga die, another black mother cry. But man, I'm trying to figure out why. This time and write no letter to the president. I be damned if I blame it on the government. I'm finna swear it off. You hoe ass niggas, y'all the ones that's doing it. You got a case pending and now you ain't drunk. The nigga you killed kids are fucked, I'm still stuck. But this is the shit that got the hood fucked up.
Deal with it, cause in this life you gon' get it. Shit should be God, gotta raise up, go out and get it. Keep my hustle on, gotta stay paid. Sometimes I feel stuck, but I ain't gon' play. I hate my niggas just to come up. You hoe ass niggas with this cross-section shit, keep disrespecting the game, doing the fool. You got to steady run up, put your gun up, try to buck, not knowing that's the shit that's got the hood fucked up.
Little ghetto boy, living on the Dallas street. What you gonna do when you grow up? Have to face responsibility. Quit player hating. Got to be real. Stop that player hating. Come on and be real. Ain't no love in the ghetto no more. The saga continues. He's just a little ghetto boy, living on those East Dallas streets. What you gonna do when you grow up?